Welcome to this video on how to start a profitable blog from scratch. In today's digital age, starting a blog has become a popular way to share your expertise, build a personal brand, or even earn a living online. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a successful blog right from scratch. The first step to starting a blog is to choose your niche. Selecting a niche ensures that you write about something you're passionate or knowledgeable about. This will make it easier to create content that resonates with your target audience. To come up with a niche, consider your interests, skills, and the needs of your target readers. A domain name is your website's address, and a hosting provider is where all your website's files and data will be stored. Choose a domain name that matches your brand, and make sure it's memorable and easy to spell. For hosting, consider the pricing, security, and support provided by the hosting provider you choose. WordPress is one of the most popular blogging platforms. Installing WordPress is easy and can be done within minutes. Choose a theme that aligns well with your niche and brand. A theme affects your blog's appearance and functionality, so choose one that your target readers will love. Content is king. Create content that is valuable, informative, and useful to your target audience. Tailor your content to your niche and avoid generic topics. Quality content will keep your readers engaged and coming back for more. Promoting your blog is crucial for attracting traffic. Share your blog posts on social media platforms relevant to your niche. Utilize SEO tactics by using relevant keywords and metadata to increase your search engine ranking. Network with other bloggers and collaborate with them. With these few steps, you are on the right track to creating a profitable blog. Whether it's a hobby or a career, blogging can be a rewarding experience. With hard work, patience, and consistency, you can convert your blog into a great source of income. Thanks for watching.